General quarters. All hands man your battle stations.
Welcome to the Rundown. Chief of Naval Operations, Admiral John Richardson, recently released version 2.0 of A Design for Maintaining Maritime Superiority. The document is an update to an earlier version 1.0, released in 2016, and highlights Navy's alignment to the 2017 National Security Strategy, the 2018 National Defense Strategy, and how Navy will adapt to changes in the security environment. Design 2.0 establishes the framework to guide each sailor's behavior and investments this year and the years to come. For more information, see the story on Navy.mil. More than 40 crew members of USS Rafael Peralta DDG-115 were the first to pilot an updated Advanced Warfare Training curriculum inside the Navy's newest combat system trainer, the Combined Integrated Air and Missile Defense and Anti-Submarine Warfare Trainer, or CIAT. The Center for Surface Combat Systems officially opened the CIAT during a ribbon-cutting ceremony this past December and is slated to deliver tactical training to all San Diego-based Aegis Baseline 9 warships. For more information, see the story on Navy.mil. The Navy commissioned its newest Freedom Variant littoral combat ship, USS Wichita, LCS-13, at Naval Station Mayport, Florida, January 12th. USS Wichita is a fast, agile platform designed for operation in nearshore environments as well as the open ocean. It is designed to defeat asymmetrical, anti-access threats such as mines, quiet diesel submarines, and fast surface craft. For more information, see the story on Navy.mil. That's all for this week. Connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at USM People. You can listen to our collection of Sailor to Sailor podcasts at Navy.mil/CMP. For any questions or to sign up for our monthly newsletter, send us an email at usmpeople.fct@Navy.mil. For the Chief of Naval Personnel, I'm MC2 Tyler Preston. Thanks for watching.